So on our like Pajero 1720 SKU, we actually had some cars, for some reason, only some of them had a bit of an issue with the power going through the CAN bus, and it would cause the screen to flash on and off, or the reverse camera to do something strange. So if you'll see here, you've got these two plugs coming out of the CAN bus. Now if I unplug like these two and I plug the male one into here and then the female into here, that means like these cables would actually now be going to the CAN bus and then like back into our unit. But if we have it how it is at the moment, just like this, that means we're bypassing the CAN bus. And so that's how we will probably have it most of the time. If you're having some issues, that we actually have to bypass the CAN bus like so, and that's what we've done in like this case. So that is this little cable kit here to sort that issue out.